As you can see, this knife is very nice. It has extreme quality when opening and closing. Whenever you bring it down at the same time as pulling back on the trigger, it does not close, which means it has extreme reliability. Wow! I think I hear a deer. Okay, so now we are going to be doing the cutting test of the Lightning OTF Automatic Green Zombie Apocalypse Double-Edged Serrated Knife with 440C China steel with aluminum handle scales that are screwed together with Torx T something big things. So now, let's cut. Oh! I think I hear a deer. Wow! Deer? It's a deer! I must kill it! It's dead. Oh, this thing's very powerful for those powerful days. And I'm gonna go deer hunting. Whenever I kill my dirty Clayco, I'm gonna need to cut it out from the bottom half of the body. And then they're gonna go like... After I cut them, then they're dead, and I'm eating them, they're gonna be like...